Now let us start with the next part of the chapter, that is face value and place value. Face value, what do you mean by face value? The face value of a number, of a digit in a numeral is the value of the digit itself, wherever it is. Okay, so face value is the digit itself. Like here in this, face value of 5 is 5, face value of 3 is 3, face value of 4 is 4, and like this. But place value of a digit is equals to face value of the digit into value of, like for example here 7 is lying in the tens place, so 7 into 10 70, so its place value is 70. And one more important point, place value of 0 is always 0 wherever it may be. Now the next is expanded notation. So if a number is given, you write it according to the place value, put a plus sign, and this is the expanded notation. This you have done in your previous classes also. Successor and predecessor. Successor means if you add 1 to a number, you get the successor, and if you subtract 1 from a number, you get the predecessor. Means successor is the after number and predecessor is the before number. Now skip counting means counting by 2s, counting by 10s, counting by 5s. All these things are skip counting. Now here you can see exercise number 4. Find the place value of underlined digit in each of the following numeral. Like here a numeral is given and you have a digit is underlined, you have place value of underlined digit. It is very simple. You can see also it's 10. So 9 is in the tens place, so place value is 90. How you will write in your notebooks? See here. Place value of 9 is 9 tenths or 90. Here place value of, for this also, first you will write the place values on top of the number, then only you will write the place values, not without it. It is compulsory to write the place values on top of every numeral given. So place value of 5 is 50 lakh, or you can write in this type. Same here, you can see it. Now here in the second question you are given a number 386429 and you have to write the place value of each digit. So this is the way in which you will write. You will write the digit and its place value like this. Got it? Now here are 3 word problems, small word problems. Find the difference between place value and face value of 6 in 4,61,503. So face value will be 6 only and place value is 100,000, 10,000, so 60,000. So what you have to, how you have to solve it? Place value is 60,000, face value is 6. Difference means you will subtract the answer. Similarly, in the next question, find the difference between place values 3 and 7 in the numeral 1,03,476. So you have to consider 2 digits, that is 3 and 7. So 3 is in thousands place and 7 is in tens place. So place value of 3 is 3000 and place value of, first see here also I have written place values first. So whatever question you are solving, first of all you have to write the place values, so you are very clear that what place you have to write. So place value of 3, place value of 7 is 70, subtract and find the answer. In fifth question you are given 2 numbers and here you have 8, here also you have 8. So both the 8's place value you have to write. Here 8 is in lakhs place and here 8 is in 10,000 place. So 8 lakh 80,000. Subtract and get the answer. Now here in this question you have to write the number in expanded notation. So for that also first you write the place values. So it is in 10,000 place, so 20,000 plus 4,000 plus 300 plus 80. You will never write the expansion of 0 in the expanded form. No need. Here 1's, 10's, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. So here this 1 is in 10 lakhs place, so 10 lakh plus 6 lakh plus 7,000 plus 500 plus 3. Like this you will write the expanded notation. Now the next question is, your expanded notation is given and you have to write it in short form. Either if you are able to understand, you can write directly, or you can write in column in your rough notebook, add and then write, because this you have to do in book only. Okay, in book only. So this is how you have to do. Now here write the successor. Successor means adding 1 and predecessor means subtracting 1. And how you have to show in your copies? This is how you have to show. For successor you will add 1 and write the successor. Okay, for predecessor you subtract 1 and write the predecessors. Now the next set of question is about skip counting. Counting by twos means you have to do plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and you can reach from here to here. Counting by 20s means you have to do plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 and you will reach from here to here. And counting by hundreds means you have to add 100 to every number and reach up from here to here. I have solved few questions for you. This one only, from 9,999 to 10,599. What you have to do? You have to count by hundreds. So 9,999, if you add 100 to it, you will get 10,099. You can also add and find out. If you have any confusion, you can add and find out. If you add 100 to it, you will get 10,199. Then go on adding and you will reach the final answer. Now this question is counting by fives, write the numbers in reverse order. Reverse order means you have to do minus 5 here. Now see, 10,000. 10,000 minus 5. When you subtract 5 from it, you will get this. If you are not able to understand, do it in your rough notebook, subtract and find out that you are getting this or not. Again subtract 5 from this, you will get this number. Again subtract 5 from this, you will get this number. You go on subtracting and you will finally reach to 9,960. This is how you have to do it in your notebooks. If you have any confusion, you can add or subtract in your rough notebook and write the sequence. Now here 14th question is discover the pattern. Again you have to study the pattern, that by what pattern is it increasing, by counting by hundreds or thousands or twos or fives, and you have to complete it. And this question also you have to do in book only, okay, not in the notebook, only in the book.